बहुत कम जगह हैं लंदन में जहाँ पर पब्लिक प्लेसेस के ऊपर काइट के पोर्ट्रेट या उनकी तस्वीरें वगैरह लगाई हुई हैं, और दिस क्लब इज़ डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द प्लेस।
Portrait of just a founder of a nation. He's a founder of a vision as well. And the light for all is involved as well, not just Pakistan.
As there is behind me a picture of Mr. Jinnah's mentor, who was the grand old man of India, Mr. Dabadai Nauroji, we thought that we couldn't have one without the other, and we're going to hang their pictures in equal pride of place to celebrate two great men of India and Pakistan.